Hello, everybody, and welcome to this quick talk on how Cisco and Google are joining forces to enable Cisco SD-WAN connected users to easily access cloud resources in Google Cloud and beyond with Google's Network Connectivity Center. I am Nikhil Kalshikar, Director of Product Management in Google Cloud, responsible for enterprise networking, and I'm glad you're spending the next few minutes of your time watching this session. Customers have had to adapt to changes in their business model during the current Black Swan events. The businesses which have adapted to digitization faster, whether it was your neighborhood restaurant or your big retailers, have been thriving. And for those who could not scale to remote collaboration, have been challenged. Businesses needed to deliver new applications and platforms across the enterprise. They could not build it fast enough and have been consuming the infrastructure as against building the infrastructure themselves. This has given them immense ability to scale quickly and adjust the business model to changing conditions and demands. Networking is critical in this transformation. Enterprises have to extend their networks to where their workforce, their workloads, their partners, and customers are now residing. This requires an enterprise to scale the network geographically and add capacity to meet customer demands. Delivering a consistent connectivity and security model is critical regardless of where the applications and services are running. And these challenges are driving a unique transformation for the network infrastructure which is being built today. Cisco and Google aim to bring this agility to your network jointly. Cisco SD-WAN and Google Cloud Network Connectivity Center, or NCC for short, enables a unique combination which brings together the industry-leading SD-WAN fabric from Cisco to easily connect to your cloud resources in Google in a completely automated manner. Cisco's vManage registers with Google's NCC, and now enterprise sites can access Google Cloud resources globally. All of the enterprise sites, irrespective of where they are located, can connect to each other via the Google network and to their resources in the cloud. And they can also connect with their data centers and their SaaS services. Users can get a superior application experience via SD-WAN policy automation. Google provides auto scaling of the cloud resources and the network in this model. Additionally, all of this is based on a simple and flexible consumption model of network and cloud access. Let's take a closer look at how Network Connectivity Center works. Google's NCC provides a single pane of glass management and operations, which enables you to connect various network resources. For example, data centers or enterprise sites and different user locations can either connect via Google Cloud Interconnect or Partner Interconnect. The same resources could connect to NCC and to the Google Cloud via site-to-site IPsec VPN tunnels. And you can use Cisco SD-WAN as well as an option to bring all the branches and the users to connect to the cloud. What this does is once these are connected to NCC, these resources can now talk to each other. So your data centers can talk to branches and your data centers can talk to resources and workloads running in the cloud. And this is completely automated for you. The management plane of NCC can integrate and share context with Cisco vManage for easy SD-WAN onboarding. NCC provides a globally consistent control plane. What that means is resources can be in any part of the world and they can connect to each other seamlessly. Policies can be created and applied irrespective of where the resources exist, and they can be realized consistently, which means this exact same policy can be applied in different resources anywhere they are and have the exact same behavior for the policy. The data plane is highly distributed for optimal performance, globally running on Google's low latency and highly scalable network. Let's take a closer look at how this could work in a real life scenario. A customer project in Google would create a virtual private cloud or VPC resource which enables sites to connect to Google Cloud on the left in the US West region and on the right in the Asia South region. These sites can be connected to Cisco SD-WAN cloud hubs, either over the internet or via an MPLS circuit. Connectivity is orchestrated by the Cisco controller, which connects to NCC to enable a customer to access cloud and network resources in a completely automated workflow. Now, once that is set up, sites 1, 2, 3, and the data center in this picture are communicating with each other over the globally available low latency Google network. The Google Cloud resources are available for access to users and workloads with a consistent policy model applied to it. If you wanted to add new sites, say a new set of branches or a new acquisition which was being integrated, you can add those sites easily. And if you want to remove sites, you can remove them flexibly. If you need additional capacity for data transfers, say it is a major event like a big sale or a big shopping event, you can do that. You can scale the capacity without needing to always provision your network and your infrastructure for peak. And that's really the benefit of the cloud. And last but not the least, a customer can pay as you grow. You can pay as you grow with a consumption-based model for new capacity. So to recap, here are some of the main use cases. Users can connect to cloud resources seamlessly and have access to all services running in the cloud from anywhere. Site-to-site connectivity can be provisioned easily via the Google network, enabling a no-friction onboarding and scalable network access. And improved application performance via an application profile-based SD-WAN policy, which enables you to select the optimal path for your application based on network health and reachability. And all of this brought to you in a flexible and simple model for connectivity with a pay-as-you-grow approach on a consumption-based model. So, key takeaways here. Number one, NCC is now available for all GCP users. You can visit the resources listed on this slide to learn more information. For example, visit the Network Connectivity Center site to learn more about NCC and the user guides and how to use it, and visit cloud.google.com/Cisco for more information on the Cisco and Google partnership. Thank you for your time and interest in this joint solution from Cisco and Google.